Okay, we are configuring Apache for authentication with Active Directory. So let's have a look here. I'm going to log in as let's say user 02. I'm on Apache. This Apache already joined the Active Directory domain. So let's try and open the website, and then authentication akan keluar, should pop up authentication. So just give it a try here. Alright, so the website name is menang.kudelari.com. Should prompt me for a password. So this is an Active Directory authentication. So I have an Active Directory at the back end server. So I'm going to log in user 02. Alright, and key my password. Oops. Right. There you go, and I'm in. Alright, so this is the website that requires authentication, and it works. So let's have a look at the configuration. So let's have a look. I'm going to log in as root. Okay, let's check the configuration. See realm list. Alright, so I'm already joined the domain. There you go. And my DNS is on the Active Directory. I didn't configure DNS on my Linux server. Okay, and let's have a look at the configuration file. CD. Okay, that's my configuration file. This is what I've added. Okay, I have a squirrel mail, and I added this both of these line here. Yeah. So other than that is all of these are default. Yeah, it's more default. Yeah. So just scroll up if you just want to have a look. You can pause the video. Yeah. Okay, and I'm going to my cd.ls. So these are the sites available. Right, I'm going to do that. Right, sites available. That's my configuration file. kudelari.com.conf for the LDAP authentication AD. So let's have a look. Alright, these are all the entire configuration. If you see there's some I've been I put a remark there. Alright, so just take note of that. Yeah. So I'm actually using port number of 3268. Yeah, 3268 port number. This is my Active Directory IP. So I created a user named Apache in my AD server, and with this password. Alright, and the issue was that I have a lot of issues, and overcome all that by adding this line, authentication LDAP authoritative on. Alright, that was the thing here. Okay, and other than that, everything is good here. Alright. Okay, let's have a look at the directory permission. Okay, So that's my Kudalari folder. So let's have a look at the index file permission. So that's the index file permission. Okay, make sure you have the correct permission. Okay, and let's have the permission here. That's my permission for my Kudalari. Okay, ensure you have the right permission also there. Okay, other than that, just hang on. Okay, other than that, the time zone. So when I checked the error log, there was a time zone mismatch between the with the CentOS Linux and the Active Directory. So yeah, you have to ensure the time zone is correct. Yeah, so you can run some command. Alright. So let me just check here. You can use time date ctl. This is considered as minor, but still there's an issue here. ctl dash set dash time zone, and ours is Asia, Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so ensure the time tallies with the Active Directory. Alright, so that is one thing. You can check the time running, just run the command time date ctl to check the current time. And okay, what else here can I can highlight? Okay, the permission for the directory that I created for the index.html must be correct. So I have some issue with that. I'll resolve that. Okay, other than that, there's let me show you my Active Directory configuration. So my Active Directory configuration. So I've created a user here. Alright, username is Apache. There we go. Okay, so I just created default Microsoft password compatible as ls55wrd. So I'm using the same password which I use inside the Apache configuration. So this is the user that used to allow LDAP query. Alright, so you have to create the user in Active Directory. What else? Okay, back to our Linux machine. So let's try and make just try and check everything here. Just close back here. Open up again. I have a squirrel mail running in the background, and also have another website, virtual website running in the background. So I have 3 websites running in the background. Let's see whether it works or not. Okay, it's loading there in the background. Come on. Okay, there we go. Alright, great. So let's check my squirrel mail. Let's hope it's working. Should be working. Yep, it's working. And I have my other website. This is just a simple plain website for testing. It's called database.unterlari.com. Yep, there's no authentication here. And the one we did for the authentication is menang.kudalari.com. Okay, it's because it's already cached the username and password. So I have to log out and log in again. Then you can see the login screen is the one I showed earlier. Right, but let me just log out and log in again just to ensure that everything is good. So I'm gonna log out. I'm gonna log in as a different user now. Email user 001. Okay, key the password. These are all domain user, domain Active Directory user. So I'm going to open menang.kudelari.com. It should prompt me for username and password, yeah? Oh, it's catching. Let me just log out again. Log out. Log out as a different user. I'm going to log in as user 05. User 05. There we go. So I'm going to open my let's try it out. Okay, so menang.kudelari.com racehorse, it's catching already. Maybe I need to reboot. I'm going to reboot here. Alright. I'm going to pause this. Okay, boot up. So let's see, log in as a user 03. Open my Firefox. Okay, so let's close first, open again. Alright. There we go. Okay, let's log in as a user 02. Okay. There we go. And we're done. Thank you for watching.